Hello students. So today we are going to learn from chapter number 10 circles exercise 10.2 question number 12 regarding this diagram I already draw for you. Now Ayush, read the question.
A triangle ABC is drawn to some circum. What is it?
Circumscribing.
Circumscribe.
See, this circumscribing means a circle is inside, okay, and whatever the figure. Now here it is inside a triangle. Next.
A circle of radius 4 centimeter.
And they gave you that a circle of radius 4 centimeter from the center of the circle to the point touching on a circle we call it as radius and it is given 4 centimeter.
Such that the segments BD and DC into which BC is divided by the points of contact D are the
Points of contact they define it, okay. Each and every line or we can say side of this triangle has touched this circle. Do you remember when a line and a circle touches at only one point, we call this as tangential lines. What? Tangential line. Next.
D are the length of 8 centimeter and 6 centimeter respectively.
Now, what they are saying, they gave you already from C to D and D to B is 6 centimeter and 8 centimeter. Next.
Find the sides AB and AC.
Yes, we need to find A to B and E to C. Now first, whenever you are solving, first always write what is given, okay. So here what is given? So we have given, what are the given data? We have here C. From C to D they gave you 6 centimeter and from D to B they gave you 8 centimeter. Now students, just listen one thing. From an exterior point, if a line touches the circle, from the same point, this line is also touching the circle. From the exterior points, the tangents made by this point on the circle are always equal. What it means? Let's take this point as what we take. It is D. Let's take it as E and let's take this as F. Okay. Now just see. From B to D is a tangent and from B to E is also tangent from the same exterior point. So we write it as from tangent properties. What we have? We have B to D is equals to B to D is equals to B to E. If this is 8 centimeter, definitely from here to here we have 8 centimeter. So we will write this as 8 centimeter. Now from C to D it is given 6 centimeter. Definitely from C to F is also equals to what? 6 centimeter. Is that clear? If you see, we don't have A to E or we don't have A to F, but we know that this from A to E is equal and A to F is also equal because these two are tangents. We take this as X, so it also will become X. So here we are assuming let AE and AF is equals to X. Is that clear?
Yes.
Here the main step we start. Do you remember area of triangle? How many types of area of triangle formulas that you?
Side into side into side.
What side into side into side? Just think again. We are base into altitude for right angle triangle. Is this right angle triangle? No.
No.
From standard 9. Do you remember Heron's formula?
Yes,
When we have
sir.
scalar triangle, we use Heron's formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes. For that, we need first all the sides. So, what we take? First, let's take A to C and A to B. If you see from A to B, it is the sum of A to F and F to C. If this is 6 and we are taking this also 6 centimeter, right? So what we can write? A to C. A to C is equals to A to F plus F to C. A to F plus F to C. So what I can write? X plus 6. Is that clear? Now again, from A to B, we will write it as A to B is equals to A to E plus E to B. So we have E to B is equals to X plus A. Now you see, from B to C, we have B to D plus D to C. We have B to D plus D to C. 8 plus 6. What we have? 14 centimeter. Now here we are having sides. We will take A is equals to, B is equals to and C is equals to. Now observe carefully. I took A, B, C as the sides of this triangle. Now we know that using which formula? Heron's formula. Okay.
Yes, sir.
using Heron's formula, before you use Heron's formula, first we need to find semi-perimeter, and that S is equals to A plus B plus C by 2. Here we assume A as what? X plus 6. So we will write X plus 6 and plus what we have? X plus 8 as B. You see that?
Yes.
So we write X plus 8, and what we have for C? We have 14. Is that clear? Whole divided by 2. Now this step, X plus X. 1 laddu plus 1 laddu is
2 laddu.
So 2x plus 6 plus 8,
14.
14 plus 14,
24.
28 by 2. We will, what we will do, we will distribute this 2, okay? So 2x by 2 plus 28 by 2. Now you see, 2x by 2, we can write x, 2 ones are,
2.
and this one, 2 how many times? 14. So we have 14, we have semi-perimeter. Now, what is Heron's formula?
Root.
Area of triangle. Which triangle? A, B, C. A, B, C. What we have? It is equals to square root
S minus A.
S minus A, S minus B, S minus C. Very good. Now what is the value of S?
X plus 14.
Very good.
Thank you, sir.
So we have square root x plus 14. You remember golden rule. Whenever you are substituting values, always keep it in
Bracket.
bracket. What?
Bracket.
Don't forget, okay?
Yes,
Now, see, this S is x plus 14. But what is the value of A? We are assuming x plus
plus X.
6. So here, in this step is important. See, what do you have here? Minus. When you have minus, this all sign will be changed. So I will write it as minus x and minus plus minus 6. Clear? Again, same way, for S, we have x plus 14, but minus b. So minus x, minus 8. So we write minus x and minus 8. Many students do mistake that by substituting x as direct minus, and they will write 8 as plus. So you will get wrong answer. Keep it in mind, golden rule. And in bracket, similarly, what we have last? S minus C. What is the value of S?
X plus 14.
Where? Here we have what? X plus
14.
14. Do you see that?
Yes,
And
sir.
value of C we have 14 minus 14. 14, 14. Udi. What we have? X plus 14. It is in square root. Okay, don't forget that.
Yes,
Now
sir.
see. Plus x minus x. Udi. And we have plus x minus x.
Udi.
Udi. So 14 minus 6.
Minus
8.
8.
And what is 14 minus 8? And we have here left with
X.
So see how I am writing this x and 8 6 are 8 6 are 48. So we will keep it in bracket 48 x, and this one what we have x plus 14. Oh, awesome, Sama. Just keep as it is. Now you see just one thing I'm going to show you. Do you remember the properties? From the center of the circle, if you draw a line touching the tangent, we will have 90 degree.
Yes.
Now observe this one carefully. I am drawing a line from O to C and from a line O to B. You see that OBC is a triangle.
Yes.
Area of triangle is half base into altitude.
Altitude.
C. This one B to C is base.
Yes.
Do you see this 90 degree?
Yes.
What we call as altitude?
Yes.
So for O, B, C we have base into
Altitude.
Similarly, this one A, O, B. From A to B we call it as base.
Yes.
And you see this again 90 degree.
Yes.
And this one will become altitude. Same way, if you connect this one also, we have 90 degree.
Yes.
From A to C we have base,
Base.
and from F to O we have
Altitude.
So now just observe carefully. Here the new steps are starting. Now we have from the triangle BOC. From triangle BOC, what we are taking? From triangle BOC we have BC base and OD is altitude. So we write OD is perpendicular to BC. So for area of triangle BOC, what we have? Area of triangle BOC is equals to half base into altitude, right?
Yes.
So here, half. At the place of base, what we have? B2C. So BC into, at the place of altitude, we have O2B. So OD is equals to 1 by 2. What is the value of BC? Do you remember? Here we got 14. So 14 into, what is this? OD. And just see, O is the center and D is the point touching the circle. This is radius. What?
Radius.
And what is the value of radius they gave you?
4 centimeter.
So what I write?
4
4.
centimeter.
2. 2 za.
4.
14. 2 za.
28.
So 28 centimeter square. Remember, here we are finding.
Area.
So for area we have centimeter.
Square.
Okay. Now, similarly, from triangle AOB, we have half
Base into.
which base? Okay, I will give you a step.
AB.
What we will write? See here. First, I will define it for you. O is perpendicular to A to B. OB is perpendicular to A to B. So we can write area of triangle AOB is equal to AOB. So A to B is base and O to E is altitude. So half, what we have? A to B. What we have? A to B into O to E. What we have? O to
E.
OE. So half, what is AB? X plus A. And what is OE? It is also from the center of circle to the point touching on the circle. What we have? 4. 2 to the 4. So we can write this as 2 times X plus A. And 2 times X plus A. Whenever you see any number on the outside the bracket, we have to use distributive property. Which property?
Distributive.
So 2 times X is
2x.
2 times 8 is, got it?
Yes, sir.
But this is area, right? So we write it as centimeter square. Is that clear?
Yes, sir.
Now, here we found two area of these two triangles. Now we need to find area of triangle AOC. What?
AOC.
So for that, from triangle AOC,
AOC.
we know that AC is altitude for. So here what we write? OF is altitude or perpendicular to AC. What we write?
AC.
So we have area of triangle AOC. What?
AOC.
Is equal to R. Here we have base AC.
AC.
And what is the altitude? O to F. What we have?
O to F.
OF. Now we can write 1 by 2 times AC. What is AC? You see from here. X plus
6.
So we write X plus 6 times. And what is OF? Again, O is center. F is a point on a circle. So we have O to F as 4 centimeter.
Yes.
What?
4 centimeter.
It is obviously radius, right?
Yes.
So we write here 4
centimeter.
and it is 2 times.
2 times.
Yes.
So I can write this as 2 times X plus 6.
6.
Whenever you see outside a number, we give
Distribute.
exactly which property?
Distribute property.
So 2 times X and 2 6 are
12.
Now this
Centimeter
step is
square.
very awesome. Just observe carefully. Now just see. Now I found means we have AOB area and BOC area and AOC area, right? Now some of these areas will be equal to area of A, B, C.
Yes.
So we can write here the steps. This step is very important. This was the most important step for this question. What we have? Area of triangle AO. What we take? ABC. What we are taking? Is equals to area of triangle. Which triangle we took? Which triangle? BOC and AOB and AOC. So see here AOB. What? AOB plus area of triangle BOC. See you see BOC. We take BOC. So what we write? Triangle BOC plus area of triangle. What we have? AOC. Area of triangle AOC. Is that clear?
Yes.
Now see, do you have area of triangle ABC?
Yes.
Do you have?
Yes.
Just observe the board and say from where you get. What is this? Area of triangle ABC?
Yes, sir.
What?
Havila.
Okay.
So we write square root
48
48x and x plus 14 is equals to, what is this? AOB. AOB. What do we have? AOB as
2x
2x
plus
plus
16.
16 plus what we have BOC as
28 centimeters
plus
square.
what we have AOC as
2x
plus
12.
Now see, this is as it is 48 x plus 14 inside bracket 2x plus 2x
4x.
16 plus 28 plus 12. See, this is 8 and this is 2. 28 plus 12 is
28 plus 12 is 40.
40. 40 plus 16. 56.
Yes, sir.
Now, we are squaring on the both sides. What we will do? To remove the square root, we will do square. So what do we do?
Squaring
Squaring
on
on both
sides.
sides. Okay? Now observe carefully. This sum. After squaring, we remove this square root and this square. So what we have? 48x x plus 14 is equals to 4x plus 56 square. A plus B whole square. So we have a square plus 2ab plus b square. So we can write 4x whole square is 16x square plus 2 4s are 8 into 56. Do it now.
8 into
56.
56.
Hurry up.
448.
Very good. 448x plus what is the square of 56?
56 square. 3136.
You are too good at calculation. Good. 2
3136.
3 1 3 6. Now you observe carefully. This is 48, right? This is 16. This is 448 and this is 3136. Now I will multiply this one. Okay, so we have 48x square plus 48 into 14.
48.
Hurry up, students.
600.
So smart. What?
Yeah.
672.
672
72.
and don't forget this is x. Okay.
Yes,
So
sir.
now this is 16x square plus 448x plus 313.
6.
Now just see 48 672 and this 16x square. What is this?
16
X square. So we will take this side
Yes, sir.
and all the terms we are going to take this side. So we will write see 48x square minus 16x square plus 672x and this will come this side and become minus 448x plus 3136 but this is plus, right? It will go that side and become
Minus.
minus. Don't forget that is equals to
Zero.
Now 48 minus 16. Do it fast. 32 x square plus 672 minus 448.
600.
Hurry up, students. What
Yes,
are you
sir. Yes, sir. 224.
doing?
24.
224x minus 3136 equals to 0. Do you know something? This is 32, right?
Yes,
Just
sir.
check 224 is it divisible by 32? And check again. 3136 also divisible by 32. You will see a number. Do it now. Divide 224 by 32.
Divided by
Yes.
32.
Yes. You will see that it is x square plus 224. 32 sevens are 224 minus and this will become your 3136 by 32.
98.
98. Do you know? If you do that factorization method, 98 is the product of 14 and 7.
Yes.
40 minus 7.
40 minus
7.
You see this magic?
Yes,
so
sir.
I can write x plus 14 divided using quadratic property formulas, okay?
Yes, sir.
X minus 7 is equal to
0.
Now this x plus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 7 is equal to
0.
So x is equal to minus 14 or x is equal to
7.
7. But here we are going to take x equal to 7. Why? This is length. Length cannot be in negative. So your answer, this one is wrong. And we will take this one. Is that clear?
Yes,
Now we have x, right?
Yes.
We will substitute this value of x here so that you will get what? AC and AB. So here the final step. AC is equals to x plus 6. So we will write x plus 6 is equal to 7 plus 6. What? 13
Yeah.
centimeter. Don't forget to write the dimension. And the final step, what we have? A to B. A to B, we have x plus what? 8. So 8 is equal to, for the value of x, what we have? 7. So 7 plus 8, it is written as 15 centimeter. Now you got the final answer. Congratulations. This was the awesome question. If I suggest for 10th standard board exam from this chapter, I can ask you for 4 marks. Okay. And this question is awesome from this all the questions from this exercise. That's it.